Hi, and welcome to the online KidSpace Planetarium. My name is Kate, and I will be your guide for our edition of Night Skies this week. We're so glad to have you stop by and view our online star tour program. These quick 5-minute star tours are just designed to show you some easy to spot objects that will be out in our skies tonight so that you can go test it for yourself. We have great news for this week. We have a new moon on Thursday, which makes it perfect stargazing conditions. Granted, we still have city lights to contend with, which will make it so we can only see some of our brighter objects, but that's okay. We're going to have several planets out during the course of the night, so that's what this talk will be focused on. So let's begin. Down along bottom left of your screen, you can see we are sitting on the planet Earth in Westminster, Colorado. We then have our altitude, field of view, frames per second, but those three numbers really aren't important to our star tour, so we're just ignoring those. What is important is our day stamp. So you can see just after frames per second that we have our date currently set at Sunday, September 13th, 2020 at approximately 1900 hours or 7 p.m. Our sun is going to set around 6:45 p.m. at the beginning of this week, and then at the end of the week it will set closer to 6:35 p.m., which is great, just meaning a longer chance to stargaze before bedtime. And so if we go ahead and speed up our time, we can see our sunset a little quicker there on the right. We know, of course, that everything will rise in the east and go set in the west. So if our sun is setting on the right, that means that that is our western horizon. Over to our left is our eastern horizon. And to make things nice and simple for us here, I've set it so up north is going to be up top of your screen. Down south is going to be along the bottom of your screen. I'll bring up a nice cheat sheet to make it easy as we progress through the night so that we have those up. Couple of the star dots that we're going to see first and foremost are actually planets. So if we're taking a glance down there along our southern skies, there's one dot that's now appearing. It's starting to get nice and bright. That is our planet Jupiter. Trailing directly behind it is our planet Saturn. These two are going to be very easy to spot in our night skies, even with the Denver lights. And if I stop our time real quick, you can see that I've stopped it about 15 minutes before 8 p.m. There is one star in particular that looks like it's dead center of our screen. This is the star Vega. Vega is known as Denver's zenith star. Zenith just means that when the star reaches its highest spot in the sky, it is directly overhead up top. This is a great star to use when you're trying to navigate to find your way back to Denver, because as long as that star is directly above you, you are on Denver latitudes. Okay. It is in the constellation Lyra, the harp, which I've brought up for you there. And together with the star Deneb, which is located in Cygnus the Swan, and the star Altair, which is in Aquila the Eagle, we have found the summer triangle. These are three bright stars that we'll be able to see very easily in our night skies this week. I'm going to go ahead and progress this a little further into the night. As we get closer to 9 p.m., we'll see a couple more other planets appear. That's going to be Mars and Uranus. In order to view Uranus, we are going to need a telescope or some binoculars because our eyes are not going to be able to pick it up. But closer to sunrise, we'll have our morning star, which is Venus, rise along with our moon for us to view. So when you wake up super early at 4 a.m., that bright object you see next to the moon is our planet Venus, our morning star. So that will conclude our star tour for this week. Stay tuned for our next week's star tour. And from all of us here at KidSpace, thank you for watching and happy stargazing.